What's good, everybody? My name is Evan. For those of you that don't know me, I'm the owner of Skrapers, and I really been wanting to get on here and make some more vlogging content and more just content in general, besides the TikToks with the music over and stuff like that. But yeah, I wanted to get on here and make some more content, so we're gonna start uploading here on YouTube, and I wanted to start taking you guys along with me on the journey of me building my brand. So that's mostly what this channel is gonna be about. Just going to the shows and just the taquache lifestyle, I guess you could say. Yeah, we got some stuff to do today. I got some extensions to ship out. And we got to go run to a couple stores and get some stuff, because I don't know if you can tell, but I might be a little red because it's hot as in here. And I need to go get a bigger porta cooler because I got 3 fans running, but they ain't doing shit. But I need to go get some more bins and stuff like that for the truck show, for all the merch and stuff. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. But first we're gonna go ahead and drop off those extensions to the post office and get those shipped out. And then yeah, I'll see you guys after that. So we got that package dropped off. Got the porta cooler in here blowing, filled up. As you can see, this thing blows.
Wait.
But we're probably gonna head to a couple more stores and see if we can find some polo shirts. That way I can get some shirts for the show. And I don't know, I gotta see first because I'm pretty picky about my shirts. So it's actually the next day. We did go ahead and pick up some polo shirts that I ended up liking at the store yesterday. I'll show you guys here in a sec, but just got some stuff in the mail and I had to show you guys this whole, cause it's so sick. It's gonna go on the oil filler cap on the cat eye. Should complement all the chromes pretty nice, but let's get this whole thrown on. So that's the one that's on it right now. I'm gonna take that hoe off and throw on the new one. See what that looks like. Came out pretty clean. Just need to take off them heads, get them bolts extracted. It looks pretty clean with the rest of all the chrome handles. Hell yeah, this thing just needs a little wash now. As you see, it's dirty as hell. So we're here at the shop. Had to bring some more inventory for this truck show. And on the way, got another order from Hassel, Texas, 8-piece kit. So we're gonna go ahead and get that all boxed up. So if you haven't ordered from the website and you don't know what all comes in the kit, this is what you're gonna get. You're gonna get your rock lights. You're gonna get 2 extensions, one 10-foot and one 5-foot with each rock light. You're gonna get your spit. You're gonna get your splitters. You're gonna get your module, and that's all that's gonna come in the kit. The magnetic mounts are sold separately, but they are available on the website. These are the magnetic mounts for your wires. You just run a zip tie and run your wire through there and mount it wherever you need to. But with that being said, let's get this order boxed up. So we got our rock lights, got our splitters, module, magnetic mounts for the rock lights, magnetic wire mounts. Let's go ahead and throw this last piece of bubble wrap on. The side. Put that right there. Just like that. So these stickers and decals on the side. So this is pretty much the last part. Just got to get it weighed out. That way we can get the right information on the packing slip. All we gotta do now is get it printed out, slapped on the box, and get it dropped off at the post office tomorrow, because it's already 11:36. So we're gonna get that dropped off tomorrow and probably run to the store and grab a couple more things for the show, since I didn't pick them up the other day. But it's all coming together. So it's Friday. We're gonna go drop off the Porsche to get an oil change at this shop. Then we're gonna go get the package shipped out that we boxed up last night. Then yeah, I'll probably see you guys when we're at the shop. We're gonna go drop off that package at the post office. Right here. Taking in the red truck today. Go get that dropped off. So back here at the shop, we went ahead and got the Porsche picked up already. Shout out AutoWorks in Midland. They got it done pretty quick. Just got the oil change on the Porsche. I got some homeboys pulling up with some food. Then I think I got a customer finna pull up for a pretty big rock light kit. So we'll see if he buys the rest of them. But yeah, we'll see what's up. I guess I'll get to you guys after that. So I didn't end up showing you guys the shirts, but I'll show you guys right now. Some ones we picked up. It looked pretty breathable. I tried it on. It was pretty good. Just gotta get the logo embroidered right there. But we're finna head to Best Buy and look at the cameras, cause I mean, the quality on this is pretty good and shit. But if I wanna have someone recording me and shit, I gotta get a better camera. But so yeah, so we're gonna go look at the cameras over there at Best Buy. And then I need a new capture card for this because I'm finna run out of time. But yeah, we'll probably see you guys after that. So back here at the shop, we stopped at Best Buy, got a couple things, checked out a camera, and we got some more totes and shit for the truck show. So we can push all this shit around. But we're gonna throw some shit in these totes, see how we're gonna do things, that way we're not doing everything last minute and shit. So we got some stuff in these tubs, magnetic mounts, modules. It's a little thing we got, that way we don't gotta be lifting shit. It's pretty cool. Not too sure what's gonna go in this one just yet. We got the merch, the shirts, and that one. Got rid of some of the boxes. You can see. Definitely still gonna have a ton of boxes, just me moving back and forth, but at least I got rid of some of them. So it's already finna be 12, so we're probably finna head out for the night, but probably pull this thing in. We'll come tomorrow and get it washed up, cause golly, you can already tell how dirty it is. It ain't been washed in about a week, so we'll come get this thing washed tomorrow, probably wash all the roofs. So it's Saturday, we're gonna go to Harbor Freight, get some rags that we can wash the single cab up, but probably see you guys after that. Let's go. So we're here at the shop. Didn't even end up having no rags at Harbor Freight, even though they said they had them in stock, so we got to get the Harbor Freight special. But we're gonna get the Porsche washed up first. And move it in, cause you can tell it's hot as hell outside. We'll get this whole washed up first and we'll pull the red truck in. Got that whole parked on the side. Let's get to washing. Got the Porsche washed, pulled in, we dry it off. Gonna get down on the single cab now. Gonna hit the little engine bay too, that way I can get a nice little video of that right there for the TikTok. So let's get this thing washed up. Got the single cab washed up. Gotta get this thing wiped down so the water dries. Y'all let me know what y'all think on this sticker placement, because personally, I don't really like it, but my pops likes it. But I'm either thinking the street scrapers on the left side and the T for P on the right side. Not too sure yet though. Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments. We should keep it like that or switch it up a little bit. So yeah, let's get this thing wiped down.
Boy,
Got the single cab wiped down. Got throw some tire shine on it. Got a little spinner. because I think it's gonna rain. We're probably gonna park this thing up. And I got a customer on the way to the shop, pick up a module. So we're here at the shop, had someone come pick up a module. I got this mic on since we got all these fans running now. It's kind of loud, but put this little new tailgate handle on. That way it can match the doors. Let me flip the camera right quick. See how the polish, the buckets. So another polished bucket. I'm gonna throw the always smooth grip and billet handle on this one, but they didn't have them in stock when I got my order in, so we're gonna have to wait a little bit, but should look pretty good with those two right next to each other. But we got a 12-piece kit ordered this morning, so all the rock lights are sold out. But I accidentally just stopped, but fuck. But we got a 12-piece kit ordered this morning, so we're gonna go ahead and get it boxed up. That way I can ship it out tomorrow. We got a 12-piece kit boxed up. Got the rock lights, splitters, module, little bottle opener, keychain, decal, a couple stickers. But let's get it boxed up. That way we can ship it out tomorrow. So we got that order boxed up right here. My girl put up with some roses. But I got under the truck. That's why I got my shirt on. I wasn't trying to get the white tee dirty. But we got all the frame strips wiped down, cleaned up. I took off the little license plate frame. I think it looks way cleaner like that, especially with the new little third piece right there. Just needs that grip and billet handle. I really don't know if I want to throw a wing on it. I think it kind of looks good with the OEM style look. Of course, it's not OEM. There's a lot of things that have been changed, but y'all let me know what y'all think. If we should put a wing on it or just leave it like this, because personally, I don't know what to do. I really like the OEM style look, and a lot of people have told me I should keep it like that, but I don't know. Maybe a carbon fiber wing, or maybe just a black one. Keep it simple. So we're probably finna head out for a little bit. We might come back later, because I gotta come tighten up the exhaust at some point, because it makes a little rattle whenever we turn the truck off. But yeah, we'll probably be back here later. Probably mess with the truck, see what we need to do before the before the truck show hits. So it's gonna start raining, so we went ahead and brought the single cab back. We got the single cab put in now. Let's check the little aftermath damage. This side doesn't look that bad. When we come to this side, rubber on them. Oh shit, I gotta wipe down the wheel a little bit too. That's what comes with it. So we're gonna get it wiped down a little bit. Probably wipe down the wheels too. I don't like that shit sitting on the paint. But let's get that wiped down right quick. Got the wheels, paint wiped down. Can't even tell no more. Oh yeah. Meanwhile, I didn't want to do too much because the neighbors over there had this shit pulled out halfway. I don't want to throw shit all over their vehicles and nothing. So that's gonna wrap it up for this first video. I'm trying to start filming more throughout the week. That way I can upload every Monday for you guys. And hopefully it gets to the point where we're doing daily vlogs, daily uploads. But if y'all have any ideas or y'all want to see something done to the truck, y'all drop a comment down below. I do have a turbo kit for it in the other shop. We just haven't put it on yet because we didn't want to be rushing through it for the truck show. But that all being said, I really hope you guys enjoyed this first video. If you did, y'all go hit that like and subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it. But with that all being said, I hope you guys have a blessed rest of y'all's week, and I'll see you guys in the next one.